Hello everyone. This tutorial will be about electrostatic generator or Van de Graaff generator. Van de Graaff generator is an electrostatic generator which is capable of producing large static electric potential. It can reach 20 megavolts. So, let's see the construction of Van de Graaff generator and the operation of this electrostatic generator that can produce high voltage DC. This is the construction of a Van de Graaff generator. First, we have 1 is a hollow metallic sphere, 2 is the upper electrode and it's connected to the metallic sphere, 3 is the upper roller, and 6 is a lower roller. 4 and 5 are upper belt, which is connected over the upper roller and the lower roller. Also 7 is a lower electrode here, as we see, which is connected to ground. Also we have a spherical device or a spherical electrode which is connected to the ground here. So this is the construction of Van de Graaff generator. Also this is a photo of Van de Graaff generator in high voltage testing labs. So let's see the operation of Van de Graaff generator. Operation of Van de Graaff generator is very simple. First, the lower roller is firstly rotated by using a motor. So the rubber belt moves over the roller. When the upper belt moves over the roller, the friction between the lower roller and the belt generates electric charges on the belt. Positive charges will be produced on the upper side of the belt, and negative charges will be produced on the inner side of the rubber belt. Positive charges on the outer surface of the belt are carried upwards and collected by the upper electrode. As we see, the positive charges on the outer surface of the belt will be moving upwards to be collected by using the upper electrode. Since the upper electrode is connected to the whole sphere, the charges get transferred to the sphere. So this is the upper electrode. The upper electrode here is connected to the hollow metallic sphere. So the charges get transferred from the upper belt to the metallic sphere like that. Since the belt continuously carry the positive charge on the upper electrode, the spherical shell here collects enormous amounts of charges and develops a huge potential. Now, this is the surface of the metallic sphere. This surface now contains large amounts of positive charges, and this amount of positive charges will develop a huge potential. When the potential of the sphere exceeds the breakdown of the air around the sphere, the air gets ionized and large amount of charges takes place from the sphere, and hence the spark occurs between the metallic sphere and the grounded sphere like here. So this spark is a high voltage DC. So in this Van de Graaff generator we succeeded in producing high voltage DC. So it's very clear that Van de Graaff generator has very simple operation as it produces electrostatic electricity. Advantages of Van de Graaff generator: high DC voltages can easily be reached due to the simple operation of Van de Graaff generator that depends on very simple method, which is electrostatic electricity. There is no any fundamental rebel. The DC voltage that's produced is like that, is constant like that. There is no rebel. There is no rebel. Also, high precision and flexibility due to the simple operation of Van de Graaff generator. But we have disadvantages of Van de Graaff generator: the limited output current, also limitations in belt velocity and its tendency for vibrations, so it's a big disadvantage. Also the maintenance necessary due to the mechanically stressed parts like the rubber belt or the lower roller and the upper roller. So Van de Graaff generator has advantages and also has disadvantages. Now let's see a funny application of Van de Graaff generator. Rising hair application. What is this funny application? If you try to put your hand on the surface of the whole sphere of Van de Graaff generator, your hair will be like that. The explanation of this funny application is very simple. As explained, Van de Graaff generator produces static electricity. When Van de Graaff generator works, many positive charges will be produced on the surface of the whole sphere of Van de Graaff generator. So if you touch the surface of the sphere, you will become a very positive person. All of these positive charges build up in your hair and starts to rebel similar to magnets, and your hair will rise like that due to the repulsion force between the positive charges on your hand. And this is of course the beauty of high voltage. So now if you really want to try it, don't forget to stand on insulator like that to isolate between you and the ground. So this is Van de Graaff generator, and also we understand this funny application that's used in labs for funny moments. Thank you and see you in the next lectures.